Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about NIO Incorporation, and this is the daily chart what you can see on your screen. So first of all, this stock has limited amount of data, that's why we are considering the daily chart to have a clear view of the trend. And if you just check my previous videos where I was talking about the correction, the probable correction, but it hasn't been succeeded, and the stock has indeed breakout from its resistance zone. So now the trend has been resumed on the upside, and probably the big trend has also resumed with this breakout. So we are going to discuss about both. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now this was the level. So as you can see here, now this was the range. Okay, this was the range, and then the stock changed its trend like that, and here we have. Okay, so as you can see, how the stock changed its trend, or you can probably draw a line like this. Okay, now if I just draw a line like this, you will see that how this particular stock has respected its previous resistance once, twice, here thrice, 4 times, probably 5 times. And I think this was the level here. Okay, around this was the level where I was talked about the probable resistance, and it may correct, but after 1 day of correction the stock actually made a breakout. Okay, so although I missed that, but anyhow, we are going to discuss about the big trend. I think I have discussed previously in the big trend as well, but because it has made a breakout, it is very important to understand that even though the probability for this stock is to go on the upside, we must not forget that in any circumstances where the trend could probably be a negative, you must know where your important support level lies. So you have your support level at $35. Okay, big or immediate support. And after which you have your second support at $28. And if these two levels fail, then obviously you could probably see $10 or $11. So one must be very aware of these facts, okay, about the risk and about the most important support level. But as it has made a breakout, so obviously without spoiling the mood further, because it is important to understand your risk first rather than just simply focusing on the profits. So what you can do here you have your previous previous range. Okay, and the return worth 792 or 800% from the lows towards the high. So this was the resistance. Stock falls down again, it went back and it made a breakout, and then again retest its resistance and again makes a breakout. So with this, while doing this, the stock has indeed bounced back by 700 or 800%. Now with this breakout, what we can assume here is the simple reflection or mirroring of its previous trend. Okay, so same as 792%. But although the stock has moved pretty sharp, but the level which we will look at as our next target or big resistance afterwards will be around $94. So you can consider the range in between $90 and $100. So that's what we are looking at as our big trend. Okay, so on the upside we have 94 or in between $90 and $100. But remember where your important support level lies. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.